we live? Yes, we are live. Yeah, we are live. All right. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a full stack social media application using Stack and Typescript. So, if you like my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. And let's get started. Just a sec. All right. Clear CD front end. Clear CD. GS 777. Hello GS, welcome to my stream. How are you? Backend. So first, let's start the front end. npm run dev. npm run dev. Fine. Now, if we come here, localhost 5173. Right. So test user 2. Test user 2. Fine. Let's see here. Are we getting? Let's go here. Here, am I getting that? Anything here? User join conversation. Cool. Fine. वैभव पांडे, अभिषेक भाई, हर हर महादेव, महाशिवरात्रि की बहुत 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 बधाई हो। वैभव पांडे, हैप्पी महाशिवरात्रि, हर हर महादेव। और आपको भी महाशिवरात्रि की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। आई होप ये साल आपके लिए काफ़ी अच्छा जाए। सो दिस इज डन। नाउ लेट्स बिल्ड द नोटिफिकेशन सिस्टम। फाइन। फ्रंट एंड एसआरसी, my header is src components general navbar. This is my navbar. Things that are not required, let's remove them. Right here, remove this and remove this. So in my chat bar, first I need that thing, that counter, that new message has arrived. And here also I need something cool. One more user I need for this. New incognito window, localhost 5173. Test user 3. Test user 3. No conversations yet. Cool. And here, let's test user 3. Test user 3. Any post for test user 3? Test user 3 has any post? No post. Cool. Fine. Let's do one thing. Here for test user 3, you can go to the profile section and upload a post. Hello. Let's upload this post. Hello has been uploaded. And here we go. And if I refresh here, I'll get the hello. If I come to this user and if I send the message, hello, I'll send this. And for this user, conversation not here. Fine. Now let's test user 2 of this. I find this is working. Alright, so first thing, this is it. Bar. Okay, so GS. I'm also building a movie app in MERN and using TMDB API. Oh, that's great. All the best for your project, GS. So in this my nav bar and in my chat bar, this is my chat bar. This is my chat bar. Fine. This is my chat bar. Chat bar. This is my code. Chat.tsx. Chat container. Chat container.tsx. Chat container.tsx. Cool. Okay, so chat container, where is it? Yeah, chat container.tsx. I have the chat container.tsx, and there we go. In my chat container, this is my code. Chat container, this is the code. Fine, this is done. Then my API src, here, section src, feed post chat.api.ts. Fine, this is done. This is done. Now what I want is that when a new conversation is created, I need to refresh the page to see the new conversation in the chat bar. Cool. Good. This is a classic state sync problem, not a backend issue. Chat container creates conversation. Chat only fetches once on mount. So when a new conversation created, chat one doesn't know about it. That's why you must refresh. Clean solution. A new conversation created or a new message sent. There are three proper ways. I'll give you the cleanest one for your architecture. Refetch conversation on socket event. Okay, socket event. Cool. Using sort of, so when a new message is sent, just emit conversation updated event and let chat bar listen to it. Cool. So backend emit, hold on, backend src index. This is my backend code, index.ts, controllers, GS, and taking reference from your project, watching your live recorded I on day 5. Oh, that's nice. Thanks. I hope you're enjoying those live streams, brother. Okay, chat controller, chat.controller.ts. Fine. Perfect, very clean. When a column newly created, chat but does not know about it. Right now, you only limit going to string limit, but your chat bot is joined all comment globally. So, okay, correct. Setup join each user to their own room. What is happening here? Very user ID. Okay, back if user ID. I want that when a new conversation and new conversation is created, then the chat bar should update without refresh. Kulpreet Singh, hello Kulpreet Singh, welcome to my stream. Hi, new subscriber. Me too learning MERN stack. Should I first focus on JS or TS? Kulpreet Singh, you should first focus on JS, learn JS, and if you know JS, then you can learn TypeScript in one single day. Okay. Coder VS. Hello, Coder VS. Welcome to my stream. Bro, I'm new to coding. How to learn C++? See, for C++, C++ is a very good programming language for beginners. You can go to YouTube, search C++ tutorial, and watch one good playlist or good video, and just code along with those videos. That's how I learned. GS. Currently, I am third year. Any project to get internship? See, internship. Like if you're in third year, you need to build basic full stack projects and deploy it, and so that the interviewer can see your projects. Because if your interviewer sees your deployed projects, then it increases your chances of getting hired. Fresh. You do not need to overcomplicate this. The real issue. You're not emitting anything. So chatbot has no idea a new comment exists. Okay. Minimal correct. We will emit an event when conversation is created. Notify both participants. Let chatbar refetch conversation. Modify get or create conversations. This block. Change this to fine. Make sure user join the person room. Index the just do this much. Make sure front end sense you are connecting. Cool. I know this. This is my front end src socket. This is my socket.ts in front end. Good. This is a missing piece. Okay. Autoconnect true or not. Sending user ID. Okay. User ID. Okay. So give me the full code. Okay. Suraj, congrats on your 30-day streak. Welcome to my stream, Suraj, and thank you so much. Coder vs math is necessary for coding C++. No, math is not necessary. Just your logic building should be, like coding is meant to improve your logic building. Supreme DS. Hello, Supreme. Welcome to my stream. Hey there, I am working on an open source alternative for Spotify. Once I finish working on it, can you review it on stream? Alright, yeah, like I'll give it a review. Supreme DS, by the way, you remember me. Yes, Supreme DS, I remember you. You work at Y Combinator, if I'm not wrong. That's how I remember you. And I remember your name, like you have been watching my streams regularly. Fine. Backend index.ts. Chat bar. Chat bar. Cool. Then now let's see. This front end. This is my front end. So let's just complete this for safer side. And here we'll go IO from IO client, comma socket. Grow.salman. Hello, Grow.salman. Welcome to my stream. सर फाइबर फेक ऑर्डर की बारे में बातें या कैसे हैं जो न्यू सेलर फाइबर ओड़ा आता है प्लीज गाइड मी I yeah, this is a big issue in Fiverr. Like there can be many fake users or fake sellers basically. So like I will suggest that you try to get the payment half payment before you deliver the project. Supreme TS. Yep, I work there as a presenter part time, pen tester part time. Okay, that's nice. Supreme TS. I remember you, brother. Let let socket 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 null equals null. I'll keep it null. Then export const socket equals the string. And if there is a socket, there is a socket, not simply return the socket. Then socket equals IO. Same thing this one HTTP part. This I'll copy. Then in my object I'll pass with credentials true query user ID return socket export const get socket return that socket. Cool. Then export const disconnect socket equals if there is a socket, if there is a socket, socket dot disconnect, then socket equals null. Okay. Pratham Avasthi. Hello Pratham Avasthi. Welcome to my stream. Day 30s of consistency. Congratulations. Oh, thanks Pratham. Thanks a lot, brother. Socket equals null. This is done. Then my front end connect after login. TSX. This is my TSX. Const user equals to use selector. It takes a state. This will be state dot auth dot user, and this will be of type root state. Where is that root state? Am I calling it? Yep, I'm getting a root state. कोडर vs गुड लक ब्रो. ऐसे ही मेहनत करते रहो भाई. थैंक यू कोडर वर्स. थैंक्स अ लॉट ब्रदर. कोडर vs गुड नाइट कोडर vs एंड थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग द स्ट्रीम. Guys, am I audible properly? Do let me know. This is my user. This is my user. That user effect. This I should. Then I will do this. Use effect. If there is a user dot underscore id, then I'll do connect socket user dot underscore id. Fine. If not, or while demounting, return disconnect socket, and this should depend on the user. And this is done here on backend index.ts, backend src index.ts. Harsh Dobaria. Yes, okay. Yes, audible. Pratham. Oh, thank you guys for letting me know. Fuck. Rakta Bhattacharji. Hey, what feature are you working on today? Today my goal is to update the this chat bar section. Chat, everything is working now. Just first is that when a conversation is created, I don't need to refresh to get the new conversations in this chat bar. Here in this chat bar, and also I try to implement the notification system when new message comes. I want to show the message count and a notification that this is the latest message, something like that. All right. Abhi Thakur, hello Abhi Thakur, welcome back to my stream. Abhi Thakur, do you know about Dravya Shah? I don't know about Dravya Shah. Like, who is this person? Index.ts. Find const. Index.ts. Socket connect. Okay. Then after I do this, I'll do const on const user ID equals socket dot socket dot handshake dot query dot user ID as string. Fine. And if there is a user ID, socket dot join user ID console dot log user joined personal room user ID. Okay, socket join conversation ID. Cool, this is fine. Leave conversation, socket dot leave conversation ID, then socket on disconnect, and fine. This is done. Then back update get our user conversation controllers. Where's my controller? Chat controller, and update or get conversation. Okay. So how WebSockets help? Like, can you give me a basic example, please? Yeah. See, what is happening is that, for example, this is I'm chatting to a user. WebSockets usually help with only real-time communication. That is the main objective of the socket IO. So previously, if you have seen my previous streams, what we were doing that when we were sending a message, how are you? For example, I send this message. So previously, if I go to this user for test user 3, this my previously I had to refresh, but now I don't need to refresh. See, if I come here, okay, basically I'm implementing something, that's why it's a bit stuck. Just give me a sec. Okay, where is it? Find one participants, then is new to false, and this is your type boolean, right? And if there's no conversation, I'll just set this to is new to true. Is new equals true. I did this. Fine. Then if is new is true, then participants dot for each participant the participant ID tool, and this is going to type any for each participant. I will io dot to participant ID dot to string dot emit conversation created. Done. This is done. Then update chat bar. Now if I go to my chat bar, if I go to my components chat page, chat bar, general chat bar, if I go to my chat bar, okay, Rahul Sharma India win. Oh, that's nice. Abhi Thakur. Know about super memory AI? No, I don't know about super memory AI. Rishabh Mishra. Hello Rishabh Mishra. Welcome to my stream. भाई आप कहाँ से हो? Rishabh Mishra. I am from West Bengal, India. Abhi Thakur. He is 19-year-old guy. He is founder of super memory startup, earning of 23 crore. Oh, that's nice. Rakta Bhattacharji. So this is a personal project, right? You are trying to build, or is it for some freelance gig that you are working on right now? This is a personal project. Like I'll deploy this. My goal is to deploy this and get users in this project. But this is my personal side project. Jetstorm codes. IBM hiring. All right. Okay, IBM is hiring right now. That's cool. Okay. And chat bar. Chat bar. Chat bar. This. After this, I'll do const socket equals get socket socket dot on this conversation created event load conversation where is it? Okay, so inside this, okay, we are doing this, fine. Load conversation, hold this. So we'll do this here. Load conversations, fine. And when demounting it, socket dot off conversation created load conversations, fine. Okay, now let's see. If I come here, how are you? I am good. Send here. I am good. Okay, I am good. Fine, this is happening. Now let's do something for another user. For example, test user 1 4. Fine. Let's try for another user. Okay. If I come here, if I log out from this and go for test user 6, if I post this, my test user 6. Now if I come to my profile, I'll create a post, upload a post, work on yourself every day, and let's upload a post. Let's upload this and let's post this. If I post this, fine. Now if I come to my main user here, I'll come this. What is the issue here? What happened? Does not provide a socket. Hold on, I'll come here. localhost 573. What is happening? app.tsx. I think something is wrong with my app.tsx. app.tsx socket. Socket. Where's my socket? Connect socket. Get socket. Disconnect socket. I did this. Now I am getting this error when I refresh. Am I getting this error here? Console. Socket. Okay. Socket. Export to get socket. Socket. Where is it? Jeffstorm codes. Super memory has raised 24 crore, not earning. Oh, that's nice. Rakta Bhattacharji, are you working in a startup or any company right now, or you are still studying? I'm kinda new to your channel. Will you be sitting for gate? Rakta Bhattacharya, I'm not currently working in any job. I'm trying to build my own startup and SaaS, and I have completed my BTech, and I'm not preparing for gate or any exams. Pratham Avasti. So how this will be running on other systems? I will deploy it. I'll deploy it. Then people can use it. Sonic Gaming. Sonic Gaming. Hello, bro. And guys, how's the day going? Hello, Sonic Gaming. Welcome back to my stream. Slowed Music River. Hello, buddies. Slowed Music River. फिर जिंगा आ गया आज लाइव स्ट्रीम टॉक. Hello, Slowed Music Reverb. Welcome back to my stream. This new pop pattern. Okay, where is my chat container? This is my socket.ts. Correct, does not okay. Chat container. This is my chat container. Where's my container? Chat container. Socket. Yeah. Const socket equals put socket if there is no socket return from conversation new message fine then my app.tsx. This is my app.tsx. Nitin, hello Nitin, welcome to my stream. Love Coders Daily. Bro, do you do freelance? Yes, Love Codes Daily. If I get projects, I do freelancing. Sonic Gaming. Your subscribers are getting higher. Congratulations, bro. Oh, thank you, Sonic Gaming. And guys, just a reminder: if you are new to my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. But there's one subtle wrong causing the stable refresh right now. Yeah, yeah, correct. Second. Second user if there is no user dot score id will simply return done. Then hold on. Socket is returning something. Yeah, it is returning connect socket. Where is it? Tab.tsx. Then here I can const do socket equals connect socket user dot underscore id dot socket, then return socket dot disconnect. Let's call disconnect socket dot disconnect and user dot underscore id. Also make sure. Fine. Now if I come here, any issues? No issues. Cool. So this is my test user 6 and this is my test user 6. Fine. And this is my test user 2. Now if I come here, if I message hello to her, hello to test user, I'll send. If I come here, conversations, still have to refresh. Hello, hi, how are you? I am good. Nice, nice. This is working partially only when user is sending message, only then chat bar updates, but when user is receiving the message, chat bar is not updating and I need to refresh it. Okay. Love coders really, bro. How do you get clients? Love coders. I get clients usually through referrals from my own relatives, friends. You know, like I don't get like these days I'm not getting much clients. I don't know why, because I'm not even looking for them because I'm currently busy working on my startups and all. But I used to get clients through my own referrals, like through users. Like my friends, relatives, like that. Akash codes. How long have you been coding with MERN? Akash Codes, welcome to my stream. I've been coding with MERN for last 1 month, but before that, I've been into full stack development with other backend frameworks like Spring Boot and Django. राजेश साहनी, हेलो राजेश साहनी, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. ब्रो लाइटिंग थोड़ा अच्छा करो, हो सके तो. आप बहुत शार्प से देखते हैं सिस्टम को. ओके, लाइटिंग तो अभी यही एक ऑप्शन है मेरे पास. लाइक फ्यूचर में चैनल ग्रो होता है तो लाइटिंग वाइटिंग में थोड़ा काम करेंगे. Sonic Gaming, bro, I think you should create a video on freelancing, like how to contact clients, how to get payments, and how to find any client. Okay, Sonic Gaming, I'll try to make a video on that. Alex Miar, hello Alex, welcome to my stream. Bro, I want suggestions for web development. How should I study? How should I study? Because if study every syntax in CSS, it will take 2 months. So should I learn by doing project? See, Alex, CSS is vast. You cannot learn everything in CSS. So the basic thing, learn basic thing like what are flex boxes, what are grids, how to center divs, how to create layouts. Learn that. Then build projects. That's the best way to learn CSS. फेरोनिक 7 मैच देखा नहीं यार, मैंने मैच नहीं देखा. बट मुझे पता चल गया लाइक इंडिया जीत गया है. Existing or you are only emitting. Send message. So this conversation update. Okay, new message. Update chat container. Update chat bar for both users. Conversation updated. Make chat bar listen to conversation update. Socket not on. Give me the full code. Okay. Pheronic 7. Today is the last day, na? Like today is the last day for creating the basic of this application. But from tomorrow, like I'll be starting working on advanced topics like rate limiting, caching, and all those things. 9am Games, hola. Hello 9am Games. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Make sure this is fine. SRC index.ts and controllers chat controller. This I'm doing each conversation updated. It will be updated here. Let's change the event. It will be updated. Fine. And backend send message full correct. My send message. Send message. This is my send message. This is my send message. Fine. Okay. This message. Find by ID and update. Await conversation. Find by ID and update. Populated. Done. After populated. New message populated. Done. Then after this, I'll update conversation dot participants dot for each participant ID io dot to participant ID dot to string dot emit conversation underscore updated frontend socket dot ts chat bar my chat bar conversation updated. This will be updated, updated, updated. Code conversation, chat container, join conversation, new message, fine. Okay, now it should work. Okay, fine. Pheronics 7. Yeah, Pheronics, today I'm updating this chat bar. Like when new conversation or if I'm getting any message, this should update it automatically. And later on, I'll create that system where I get a number like, it gets highlighted or we get the message counts or something like that. I am proving master. I have done too much with Python and JavaScript, but which is best for Arduino? See, Arduino, I think it uses a different language. I think it uses. I did in college, back in my second year, I think, or my first year. I did Arduino. I think it uses C. Maybe I'm not sure. 9 AM games, good brother. Done celebrating Mahashivratri. Oh, that's nice. 9 AM games. 9 AM games. आज मैच भी इंडिया से पाकिस्तान वॉट से प्रेडिक्शन इंडिया ऑब्वियसली जीत गया 9 AM games इंडिया won I think Sonic Gaming bro will you continue the live stream tomorrow yes Sonic Gaming I'll continue the live stream tomorrow also Pheronic 7 थापा टेक्निकल पूरा करके अब चाय और कोड बैकएंड स्टार्ट कर दिया हूं मैं ओ दैट इज नाइस Pheronic 7 यू आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक ब्रदर Anurag Singh hello Anurag Singh welcome to my stream how are you so let's come here and we log out. Let's log in as test user 7. Test user 7. Now if I log in here, if I go to my profile, I'll upload. I am so good. I'm so good. Let's post this. I'm so good. I got this. Now if I come here, I'll get this. I'm so good. I'll get this. Fine. This I'm so good I'll get this. Now what will happen? Now I like this. Now if I come to this user, if I message hello, I sent hello. Yeah, see this is getting updated automatically. Cool. This is what I wanted. Now if I come here, this but this here. Okay, fine. Hi. Hi. How are you doing? How are you doing? Now if I come here, this is getting updated. Fine, this is getting updated. Now if I come here, hold on, participants, conversation updated. Fine, okay. Sonic Gaming, simplified framework built on C++, uses Arduino. Okay. Ayush Priyadarshi. Hello Ayush, welcome back to my stream. How is Django if I know Python? Yeah, Django is very powerful. You can learn see between in Django in Python framework. Either you learn Django or go for fast API. Choose one. अनुराग सिंह आज स्ट्रीम जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा क्या नहीं नहीं जल्दी नहीं होगा वही सेम टाइम होगा लाइक क्योंकि अगर इसके बाद अभी और जो जो कॉन्सेप्ट उसके बारे में आई स्टडी मोर अबाउट दोज थिंग्स 9 AM games. Do you think DSA weekly contests help building logic? Like, see, if you want to go into competitive coding, then you can do those things. But I think for job interviews, you can normal solve questions. Pheronic 7. Using system class program, static void main, string args, console dot write line. कब तक बन जाएगा Phoenix 7 like this project is almost complete only I'm just adding more features and now my next target is to implement caching and rate limiting okay test 7 this is cool Nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm getting this. I'm getting here. Nice. This is happening. Okay, conversation updated. Conversation. Conversation. Dot emit. IO dot to dot participant. Here also. Okay, just have is new participants. Dot for each. Hold on. I think I did a mistake here. Here it should be not participants. It should be conversation. I think. Just a sec. I'll just recheck. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This is my send message. Get conversation. Mhm. Fine. This is fine. Cool. Mm-hmm. This works. Thanks. Pheronix 7 is messages storing in MongoDB. Yes, Pheronix, I'm storing the message in MongoDB. Mongo open. If I come here, it's okay. It's, MongoDB is loading. I'll come here. Here's my conversations. MERN chat of my on social media. Conversations. Okay, conversations. Fine. Now if I go to messages, hello, how are you? Okay. Hello, I'm good. How are you? How is your health? How is your health? How is your health? If I come here, here we go. Now if I refresh this, I should get how is your health? Hello, how is your health? Hold on. Hold on. How is your health? I'm getting this. Okay, wait. Let's send a random message. La 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 la. Let's send this. La 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 la. Now if I come to Mongo, I'll refresh this. Let's see if I'm getting la 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 la. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Oh my, what's up? Refresh this. So, all. Where are my messages? Hold on. Have I reached the limit? Let's do one thing. Let's delete top collection conversations. Let's drop collection. And messages also. Let's drop collection. Messages drop collection. Here we go. Hold on. Close this. Come here. Come here. Log out. Refresh. Close this. Now I will come here. Clear. Come here. Clear. npm run dev. npm run dev. There we go. Now if I come here, localhost 5173 is loading. Test user 2. test user 2, no conversations, that is completely fine. I come here, social media, refresh, conversations, empty, messages, empty. Okay, if I come here, and there we go. Now if I come to test user 7 and I'm going to message this user, hello, I sent this, fine, I sent this. Now if I come here, conversations, this, fine. And in my messages, if I come this, hello, fine, test user 7, right? Now if I log in with my new incognito mode, new incognito window, localhost, test user 7, test user 7, okay, come here, hi, okay. Now if I come here, my conversations, nothing changed. Now if I come here, I should get hi. Yeah, this is working. Now just I'll reply to this conversation. Hi, where are you from? I come here, I got this, where are you from? Now if I come here, I'll come here, messages, where are you from? Okay, I am from India, and I'll send image as well also. I am from India. I'll send from India. Now if I come here, I'll get the image. That's great. That's great. Now if I come here, conversations, nothing happened. If I come here, that's great. Yeah, this is happening. And let's create one more conversation. We'll close this, log out. And if I log in, test user 3, test user 1. Let's do for test user 1. Test user 1. This is happening. Where's my test user 1? This is my test user 1. Okay, not with myself. Now if I come here, okay, now if I come to test user 1, I want to message test user 1, but just before that it should be in the home page. Fine. Now if I come here, now if I message, hey, I'll come here, I need here, hey, hello, la 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 la, hello, see, come here, messages, yeah, fine, this is working. Yeah, chats are getting stored in the database also, everything is working. Okay, Harsh, Dobaria. I'm in third sem. Tomorrow I have exam of compiler design, but watching a stream is better than prepare for the exam. Oh, that's thanks. Thanks for the compliment, Harsh Dobaria. Basically, compiler design is extension of formal language automata. There was a subject. I think it is an extension of that. Vinay Dusa 18. Hello Vinay, welcome back to my stream. How life is going, man? Yeah, life is going fine. How is your life going? User. Hello everyone. Hello user. Welcome to my stream. Storied Joker. This kind of debugging seems very nostalgic to me. Haha. Yeah, yeah, like this debugging is very important. 9 AM games. हर्ष दोबारिया. कल अभिषेक का नाम बता के वापस आना. 9 AM games. User. Ha ha ha. हर्ष दोबारिया. Lol. Okay, your case. भाई इसको end to end encryption method लगा लो. Yeah, end to end is simple. You just need to again hash all the messages and store the message as hash. That's it. Pheronic 7, at the last stream, when the project will be completed, then can you make an overall summary and working principle of all code, like how it's happening in stream? Yeah, sure, Pheronics. Once I deploy this code, after that, I'll create a high level design so that people can understand. User, yes, yeah, user, I'll do that. Sunny Kumar. Hello, Sunny. Welcome to my stream. Can you help me, please? Yeah, Sunny. Let me know what help you need. If it's in my if it's in my control, I'll try to help you. So this is working. Fine. This is fine. Now I need logic to. Now I want to show unread message count. Unread message count in the chat bar. Next, message count in the message count, like the user and the message count unread. User, yes. Sunny, can you help me, please? Yeah, Sunny. I'm audible, guys. Do let me know if I'm audible. Sunny Kumar, can you help me, please? Yeah, Sunny. Like, let me know what help do you need. If it's under my control, I'm going to help you. Vinay, your voice is breaking somewhat. Guys, am I audible now? Is my voice still breaking? Let's check. Stream, stream health seems fine. Okay, fine. Now, if I come here, Himanshu, what's up, bro? Day 7 watching the stream. Oh, yeah. Hello, Himanshu. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? If I come here. Hmm. Now we are entering real message app territory and and give your friends one read. Store and status per user, include user counts, schema, conversation schema, last unread counts. Message. This is my code. Conversation dot model dot ts. Conversation dot model dot ts. Conversation model conversation dot model dot ts. Message dot model dot ts. Message dot model dot ts. Fine. Me Mayank. Me Mayank. Hello Me Mayank. Welcome to my stream. What laptop should I buy? Planning to buy a gaming laptop under 78k, but seen devs using Mac. But I'm not a fan of MacBooks, so this led me to confusion. See, one drawback with gaming laptops are the battery sucks. In every gaming laptop, battery is really bad because I had a gaming laptop and the battery was really bad. So I'm done with gaming laptops. And if your budget is good enough, then you can go for a good, not Mac, but maybe something related to Dell. Hanging games. Damn, Thala for a reason. Rajesh Sahani. Hello Rajesh, welcome to my stream. Can you work for me if you don't mind? I have some work coming up. Yeah, Rajesh, I can yeah, I can work as a freelancer you're talking about, or like in your startup or something. We can talk about it. You can DM me in Instagram or you can email me also. You will get my email in the go to my channel about section. You will get my email there. You can talk to me in the email or you can DM me. And if your work is good, yeah, I would like to work. Sam, hello, bro. Hello, Sam. Welcome to my stream. Dhruv Mehta. Hello, Dhruv Mehta. Welcome to my stream. Is my voice audible now? Is my voice audible? Guys, do let me know is my voice audible or not. My voice audible? Hello, hello, hello. Dhruv Mehta. Bro, what's your view on Elon Musk recently said that coding will be ended by end of 2026. He will be converting thinking directly into machine language. Okay, fine. Yeah, it can happen. Like coding will be not dead entirely, but jobs will reduce. That's for sure. It is audible. Okay, Rajasthani. In a day, how much time you can contribute? Like, what kind of project is this? Do let me know about your project. Then I can tell you. And if you hire me, then obviously I'll work for your project very seriously, like dedicated time, something like that. Okay, Shubham Kumar. Hello Shubham, welcome to my stream. Hello Shubham, welcome to my stream. Hello भैया, गाइड मी मुझे इंटर्नशिप के लिए कैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने चाहिए? सी इंटर्नशिप के लिए you need to you can build, like it depends on your skill firstly, but try to build full stack projects with like deploy a project so that interviewer can see your projects live. It creates a very good impression. 9 a.m. games, yep. Okay, my message, okay, this is my chat controller. Here we go. Chat, chat, yes. Since you are already using scene by in message model, we don't need to modify conversation. We can calculate it, keeping this is actually better because so modify get user conversations replace you with this. Sam, ब्रो फ्यूचर सेव करने के लिए कौन सा स्किल सीखनी चाहिए? सी फ्यूचर सेव करने के लिए डोंट जस्ट थिंक लाइक अ डेवलपर, थिंक लाइक अ प्रोडक्ट डेवलपर. लाइक योर गोल, companies will only hire you if you have the skill to develop any product. So try to build in a such a way that people actually use your projects. That's the best way. So no matter if you are in AI, ML, data science, full stack, no matter whatever you're doing, think like a product developer. Think how can I convert this whatever I'm learning into a usable product so that people can use it. That is the best skill. Carlo Tank 13. Hello Carlo, welcome to my stream. पाइथन लर्न करना स्टार्ट करा है VS कोड में. Oh, that is nice, Carlo. All the best. Python is a very good language. Give me the full code. Sam, okay. Yeah, Sam. Because we are living in a time where you cannot just stick to one IT field, like as a full stack developer. No matter whatever your field is, just have the skill to convert whatever you're learning into a product and the end, and you can get end users. That is the most important skill right now. Yeah. Rajesh, bro, it is about Cypress slash playwright with TypeScript. Are you okay? Playwright. Okay, Cypress. Yeah, like we can talk about it, and if there's an interview process, let me know about that. Carlo Tang 13. How much days you think it should take to learn Python? Python, if it is your first programming language, then it will take about 4 weeks. But if you know any programming language before Python, then it can take you about 1 or 2 week max. सूरज आज आज ठेकेदार आया कि नहीं? ओके, महीना 1 महीना हो गया, कितना काम बाकी है? सूरज, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम सूरज। सैम, वैसे मैं तो डेवलपमेंट स्किल बहुत अच्छी रहनी चाहिए, तभी तो कोई ऐप या यूजफुल चीज डेवलप कर सकते हैं। दैट इज ट्रू सूरज। सैम, आई एग्री। ध्रुव मेहता, which college bro you are from? I'm from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, but I've completed my BTech. 9 AM games. Cypress is for testing, no? Suraj, AI. Python is not a single language. You need to learn libraries as per need. Yeah, that is true. But before that, you need to know the core language. Okay, fine. Mark scene. Scene, scene. Here also, I need to do something. io dot to user id dot to string dot emit conversation updated. Conversation, conversations, find, period, profile image, add unread count, sort, then const conversations with unread, conversations with unread, await, promise dot all, promise dot all, conversation conversations dot map async conversation const unread count equals await message dot count documents conversation equals conf dot underscore id and scene by dollar not equals to user id. This is done. What is the issue here? User ID. This is done. Then here return conf dot to object comma unread count. Find conversations test conversations with unread. Okay, let's make this conversations with unread. Conversations with unread. Fine, it's fine. Let's see something that if I refresh it. Okay, this is working. Here in the chat bar, this is this is my chat bar.tsx. Hello, thanks. So, what libraries you recommend? It depends on which field you are going in. Rajesh Sahni, I will DM you the details in 1 or 2 days once I have concrete details. Yeah, sure, Rajesh Sahni. Dhruv Mehta, which company you are currently working? Dhruv, I'm not working in any company right now. I'm trying to build my own startup and SaaS. सैम ब्रो एज BCA स्टूडेंट्स क्या मैं फ़ैंग कंपनी क्रैक कर सकता हूँ? अगर कर सकता हूँ क्या रोड मैप है और क्या माइंडसेट चाहिए? बाकी मैं हार्डवर्क के लिए रेडी हूँ. सी फ़ैंग कंपनीज़ के लिए तो सबसे पहले फ़ैंग कंपनी सारी बाहर की होती है, तो उसमें आपकी ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ बीटेक ही करना है. आप BCA करो या बैचलर्स में बेसिकली आपका कंप्यूटर साइंस होना चाहिए. सो BCA इज़ दैट ओनली. आप BCA कर रहे हो, बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, बट आपको काफ़ी स्किल्ड होना पड़ेगा. आपका DSA काफ़ी स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा, लाइक तगड़ा लेवल का, क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ 6 to 7 आवर्स सिर्फ DSA के होते हैं. तो DSA के लिए आपको काफ़ी टाइम देना पड़ेगा. DSA करो एंड देन प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. जो भी आप, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू आर टारगेटिंग गूगल और फेसबुक, लर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज दैट आर यूज इन दोज कंपनीज एंड उसको यूज़ करके आप प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. और प्रोजेक्ट्स काफ़ी एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी होनी चाहिए, तब जाके आपका रेज्यूमे सेलेक्ट होगा. एंड DSA तो आपको आनी ही चाहिए फॉर फाइन बेस्ड कंपनीज. होप आई एम ऑडिबल क्लियरली. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी. conversation types, SRC types, chat, conversation, last message, conversation, last message, and here I will the unread count. तेरे ही सपने संजोए तेरे वास्ते, कोई नशा है तेरी आंखों के प्यालों में. Good. But my chat container, this is my chat container.tsx. But when I open the chat, open the conversation, and reply, then the unseen count in chat bar is still the same. Sam 77, किस टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट रहनी चाहिए? उसके लिए एक रोड मैप बता सकते हो क्या? कैसे करूँ अपनी प्रिपरेशन जर्नी में प्लीज़। सी प्रोजेक्ट आपको फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट होनी चाहिए। जो ऐसी प्रोजेक्ट होनी चाहिए जो यूज़र्स यूज़ करें, लाइक सिंपल सा भी हो बट एंड टू एंड हो, डिप्लॉयड हो, एंड पीपल आर एक्चुअली यूजिंग इट और इट हैज़ सम पोटेंशियल। Maybe it can be a Notion clone, but you can add something extra to that. Maybe it can be an Instagram clone, but you can add something extra. It can be a YouTube clone, but add something more to it, something like that. AG Pranav, hello AG Pranav, welcome to my stream. Are you mainly a backend developer because the front end you build works, but it's not visually appealing, like Instagram or X? AG Pranav, yeah, basically I'm more into backend, and this project I'm like it is just for my own learning purpose. That's why I'm using AI for the front end design, and it I'm keeping it simple. Anubhav, hello Anubhav, welcome to my stream. Which year? Anubhav, I completed my BTech. Devang abroad. Microservice distributed system banao sir. Devang, microservices like I will build in future if my app grows, but right now I don't feel the need, like because microservices it comes according to the need. If my application was big enough, then why will I build a microservices? Zapvik, hello Zapvik, welcome to my stream. Is this how you actually build? Yeah, like my goal is to Zap we keep copy pasting. See, for front end, I have built my backend, and for front end, I'm using AI for design. And before I implement, I just understand the code, and if I need any change, then I change while coding. So I use AI for reference, and before I, copy paste the code, I understand the code. So and I usually do this for front end. So yeah, this is how I actually build. सैम, ब्रदर फैंग के लिए रोड मैप बता दो ना, कितना डीएसए चाहिए और कितना क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करूं? सैम, सी इट्स मोर अबाउट you need to build that intuition, like you need to build an intuition that when you see a question, you must understand that okay, I need to do this algorithm to solve this question. You need to build that intuition. So to build that intuition, some people get that intuition in 100 questions, some people get that intuition in 500 questions. It depends person to person, but you have to give your time. You have to at least solve 2 or 3 DSA questions every single day on your own. That's the basic thing. Shivam Kushwaha. Okay, okay, cool. Anurag Zapvik. Okay, cool, got it. Okay. Anurag Singh, which keyboard do you have? It's a, like it's a nameless keyboard. Yeah, like the name of the brand is Evo Fox. It's a local brand, I think. Anubhav Dwivedi. Duhaya. Got placed through college. No, Anubhav, I did not get placed through college. I was doing a job. I got it offline. But right now I'm not doing any job. शिवम खुशवाहा भाई आप एवरीथिंग लाइव आते हो क्या? क्या टाइम है लाइव का? शिवम आई कम लाइव एवरी सिंगल डे एंड आई कम लाइव यूजुअली बाय 10:30 और आफ्टर 10:30. That's my basic time. AG Pranav, yeah, that's totally okay. If we are able to understand each and everything, how it is working. Yeah, that's what I do. Zapvik, I thought you were just copy pasting. Yeah, Zapvik, see, like before, see, I have been working with full stack projects for last few years, so I know the basic flow. And I like to build backend because I enjoy it. But in front end, like building that layout and all those things, I find it really boring. So for that, I use AI, and then I make tweak changes so that it works with my backend, and that's how I proceed. Okay. Anuj Gupta. Hello Anuj Gupta. Welcome to my stream. कितना प्रोजेक्ट बना दिखाओ? या सी ये हो गया है लाइक रियल टाइम हो गया है यहाँ पे conversations. I have implemented WebRTC using Socket.io, and now I'm working on this notification system where unread chats get this badge, and then I'll update it. Anurag Singh. Oh, Evo Fox ain't a local brand. Okay, Anurag Singh, I have no idea, but I'm sure that it is not, Evo Fox. It is not the real Evo Fox because I got it pretty cheap. It is not even, it's less than 500, I think. Heth Patel. Do you watch Dhruv Rati and Ashish Chanchalani Ekaki? No, Heth Patel, I did not watch those videos till now. I'll watch it, but usually, I don't watch these things. Kritika Sharma. हेलो कृतिका शर्मा, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। कंपनीज में एआई यूज कर सकते हैं फ्रंट एंड के लिए? या कंपनीज में यू कैन डू इट अनलेस until you don't leak the data. You can use AI. Loop Infinity. Tomorrow is my physics exam in school. I have not studied anything. See, Loop Infinity, I hope you do well, but you should revise before the exam. Don't take it lightly. But just understand that even if your exam goes bad, it's not the end of the world. But it's your responsibility to give your best. So just focus on that. Sam, भाई तो अभी मैं सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में हूँ, तो कैसे और क्या स्टार्ट करूँ? अभी तुम सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में हो तो एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज उठाओ, या तो जावास्क्रिप्ट या पाइथन, दोनों में से एक उठाओ। सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस, स्टार्ट डूइंग डीएसए एंड along with it do web dev. Devang, why you leave your job, sir, and package that time? Devang, I was not enjoying the work and I wanted to do something more, something of my own. That is why, and I was not getting any time. Uh, that's why I left it. I took a risk, I left it. So yeah. And my package was very less. It was around that tax wala thing. AG Pranav, can you refresh it, the project on the browser? Yeah, I refreshed it. Okay. शिवम खुशवाहा, आपकी एज क्या है? शिवम, माई एज इज 25. आई एम 25 years old. ओके. Important import marks in. Did I build that marks in API? API chat. I need to build the marks in API. Okay, I built that. Fine. Mm-hmm. Okay. Also marks in my receiving new message. So here in my on social media, chat mark scene. Here chat. Close this. Yes, close this. Close this chat controller, chat container, and chat route. Mark scene. Okay. Scene slash conversation ID. I built this. Find chat API. Export const mark scene equals async. Async. I'll get the conversation ID, which is a string, and here const response equals await API dot patch. API dot patch, and what's my URL? Chats dash scene. Chats dash scene dash conversation ID. Conversation ID done. Then this is done. Then after this, just a second, my chat from conversation ID. Here we would go. Then return response dot data. Mark scene is done. Now I close this, and I close this. Now in my src components, chat page component, chat container. Then here if I come, now chat container mark scene, my chat container mark scene. Then call marks after loading messages. Chat container where get message, send message reverse. Okay. Get message reverse, send message reverse. Then wait mark scene and pass the conf dot underscore id. Fine, I got this. When receiving new messages inside your socket listener, then if message dot sender dot underscore id is not equal to logged in user dot underscore id logged in user should be this, then I got await mark scene conversation id. Await, hold on. Okay, this will be async. Done. Now let's see. Now if I come here, log in here. Now if I come here, which user is this? Test user 2, test user 1. Fine. And how are your parents? Send how are your parents? Yeah, see, I got it. Cool. This is working now. When I send that message, I got this. They are good. I send here. They are good. Now if I come, now if I ask the same question, how are your parents? If I send this, yeah, I got it here. Now one more thing. And how is your pet dog? If I send this, count should increase. Yeah, done. So this is working. Notification I'm getting. Okay. Now let's read the chats. Loop Infinity 1, you left the job. Yes. सी प्लस प्लस से सोच रहा हूँ क्योंकि सी मुझे आती है. अगर आपको सी प्लस प्लस सी आती है तो देन सी प्लस प्लस सीखना आपके लिए काफ़ी इजी रहेगा. तो लाइक आप जा सकते हो उसके लिए. अगर आपके पास टाइम है, सी प्लस प्लस से आप डीएसए करोगे तो सही है. कर सकते हो. कृतिका शर्मा, जॉब में टाइम नहीं बचता क्या? नहीं, जॉब में टाइम नहीं बचता है. लाइक एक्चुअली में नहीं बचता तो मैंने छोड़ दिया. इम्तियाज, भाई कॉलेज कौन सा आपका? इम्तियाज, आई कंप्लीट माई बीटेक. माई कॉलेज बीट आई डिड माई बीटेक फ्रॉम SMIT सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, फेरोनिक 7. भाई तेरी बीएड नहीं है इसलिए सब कॉलेज पूछते हैं, बच्चा समझते हैं तुमको. अब समझते तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. राजेश साहनी, इवन आई एम लर्निंग पाइथन ब्रो, कोड चैनल फुल वीडियो इज गुड. Okay, that's nice, Rajesh Sahani. That's nice. Python is a very good language. अंकित, हेलो अंकित, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई एक बार रिएक्ट एक्सपो के बारे में थोड़ा बताओ ना. मैं स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ रिएक्ट एक्सपो सीखना तो बिल्ड माय मोबाइल ऐप. या रिएक्ट एक्सपो इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट फॉर बिल्डिंग रिएक्ट ऐप मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस. इट इज़ वेरी गुड. You have to learn React Native, and it builds, like previously we need we had to convert it into native iOS code and Android Studio code and APK files, right? But now with Expo you don't need that, and it is very easy to set up. Zoomboy 69, hello Zoomboy 69, welcome to my stream. How much work done? Yeah, Zoomboy 69, we have almost completed the project. All of the features are working. Chat is also fine. Oh, that's like if I send the chat. I have implemented WebRTC also for real-time communication. As you can see that I did not need to refresh. And if I come here, we are also, we have set the notification also. Are you okay? If I send this message, are you okay? Now if I come here, see, I'll get this count that it means unread. And if I send again, please reply. If I send this, here also see I'm getting the count, and if I open this, count goes because the message has been seen as marked. Yeah, I am okay. If I send this, I will receive the reply here in the real time, and everything is fine. Now, just I am thinking of implementing the search option. When we search, we get the list of users, and then if I click, I'll go to the profile page. Okay, let's implement search now. And I think we should implement search by username and also by the bio, because this makes the project application more authentic. ओके सैम ब्रदर डीएसए सी प्लस प्लस से प्रॉब्लम है क्या? नहीं, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कंपनीज यूजुअली डोंट केयर अबाउट डीएसएल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, दे केयर अबाउट योर लॉजिक बिल्डिंग स्किल. यू कैन डू इट इन एनी लैंग्वेज, सो सी प्लस प्लस इज गुड. बट when you go into full stack development, with C++, it gets a bit difficult because people usually use JavaScript or Python for that. कृतिका शर्मा, यार मैं लड़का हूँ, दीक्षांत नाम है, फोर्थ सेम में हूँ, लेट हो गया, बस HTML CSS जावास्क्रिप्ट पाइथन आती बट जावास्क्रिप्ट नॉट फुल्ली लर्निंग फेज में हूँ, बट डीमोटिवेट था. आई एम लेट 1.5 ईयर्स मॉस करी. ओके 1.5 ईयर्स मॉस करी. ओके फाइन दिशांत. Dikshant, okay, yeah. Hello Dikshant, welcome to my stream. So, see, if you are late, that is fine. But right now, buckle up and don't waste any more time. Start learning. Pick one language. You are in fourth sem. You still have time. You still have time, brother. Because I believe that you have 8 semesters total. You still have 4 more semesters. And like you can pick one language. I'll suggest pick JavaScript or Python. Uh, I will suggest that you go for JavaScript, then learn full stack development with JavaScript, like learn React, Node.js, MongoDB, Express, then start building projects and deploy it. Along with it, start doing DSA also. It's Ultron18. Hello, what's up? How's your work going? It's Ultron. Welcome back to my stream. And yeah, work is going fine. We have implemented everything. The chat notification system, chat system. Now I'm working. Now my next target is to build the search. Like here, there will be a search button, and where we can search user by username and the bio, and then it'll get the list of relevant users. And when I click on it, it takes me to that profile. Okay. Zoom boy. Oh, nice. Thanks, Zoom boy. Sayantan. Hello, Sayantan. Welcome to my stream. Hey, Abhishek. Are you open to any opportunities? Yeah, Sayantan. Like, if I get good opportunities, I'm open for it. Yeah, I'm open for opportunities. Yeah. Dikshant. Yes, I learned JavaScript. Okay. Means Spotify clone done. Kritik, Dikshant, but अब React सीखूंगा next. Oh, that is nice. आप सही ट्रैक पे चल रहे हो. इसी पे keep going. Continue करते रहो इसको. Fine, let's implement the chat. Now, one more thing. Now I did this. Now, let's go to my SRC controllers. In my user controller, let's build a new controller to search user by bio or username. Fine. Okay, let's go. This is my code. User dot model.ts models. YT Loker, Yo Gaming. Hello, YT Loker, Yo Gaming. Welcome to my stream. Bro, what about Python? What is Python? Oh, Python. Yeah, Python is a very powerful language. If you are a beginner, you can start learning Python. Sam, भैया तो वो तो डेवलपमेंट की पार्ट है, तो DSA++ से ही फाइनल करूं, क्योंकि मुझे एक लैंग्वेज से स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है. बाकी जावास्क्रिप्ट इतनी आनी चाहिए कि कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट बना सके. ये सही है ना भैया? या सैम, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. Do DSA with C++, that is fine. That is absolutely good. If you get a command of C++, that very good command of C++, and you do DSA in that, that is very good. That you can go for it, and you can use JavaScript only for building projects. Dikshant, how much hours I studied for crack a good job after 3 years? It depends on your interest. Like, you can do DSA 1 or 2 hours every single day, and you can give development at least 3 to 4 hours every single day. Fine, this is my model, user model.ts, user model.ts, control C. And guys, just a reminder that if you guys are new to this stream and you're enjoying, do consider subscribing. Fine. User model.ts, then user dot controller.ts, my routes. This is my routes, user dot route.ts, user dot route.ts, user dot route.ts. Now I want to implement search user by username comma bio, and I want to return the list of relevant users. When I have sorted user model, let's implement user by username and bio. Okay, paste and partial matching, include current user, return search users, yet follow, so it becomes fine at search. Okay, search users, query request dot query. No, type of query is not user string. Return JSON, source query is required. Fine. Const current user ID request as any. Request dot user dot ID. Fine. Const user is going to be user to find and or username djx bio. Fine. Exclude current user. Cool. Select username bio image. Cool. Then we get this. From text index for better performance. In user.model add this below. Okay, let's do this. Fine. So basically let's do indexing also. Indexing, am I doing indexing? Okay, I'm not doing indexing. Fine. User schema. Let's do indexing here. User schema index. वाई टोकर भाई गेम डेवलपमेंट के लिए कौन सा लैंग्वेज ठीक है? अभी मैं पाइथन सीख रहा हूँ गेम डेवलपमेंट के लिए. गो फॉर सी प्लस प्लस और सी शार्प. These two languages very popular in game development. It's Ultron 18. Hello, it's Ultron 18. What's your view on Bangalore tech industry? If you got any opportunity there, would you go? Yeah, if I get a good opportunity, not any opportunity. If I get a good opportunity, then yeah, I would go, because you know that there. See, India does not have a startup ecosystem, but in Bangalore, people have a mindset of building a startup. Even though ecosystem is not there, but people do, out of 100 maybe 5 people are trying to build startups. So that is fine. That's fine. If I get a good opportunity, then yeah, I would love to go to Bangalore. Okay. What Kritik Sharma, what is the Insta ID? My Instagram ID is in the description of this stream, or you can also check my YouTube channel. In the link section you will get my Instagram ID. You are kiss. अभी मैंने मीशो मेरा विदाउट परमिशन बट दे रीड माई व्हाट्सएप OTP फॉर लॉग इन ऑटोमेटिकली. हाउ आई पॉसिबल? आई डिडंट गिव एनी परमिशन और फॉर ऑल इज डिसेबल्ड बट स्टिल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज रीड. I think WhatsApp is doing that. It is not you. Like WhatsApp, they paid WhatsApp to get that thing. Maybe something like that. Kritika Sharma, I message you at Insta. Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll read that after the stream. Sam. Okay भैया, अब फैन पक्का क्रैक करूँगा, वो भी आपके गाइडेंस की वजह से. अब देखता हूँ क्या होता है. All the best, Sam. Just keep working hard, keep giving your efforts, and be consistent with your efforts. That's how you get results. Okay, so now let's build user controller. Close this. Export const search user async request comma response, and this will be of type request, and this will be of type response, and this will be try catch. This will be of type unknown, And let's just copy this part. This one, fine. Now let's start const query request.params request.query, cool. From my query equals request.query query. I got this, and I'll check if there is no query or the type of query is not equal to string. Throw new API error. What is it? 400 API error, and the message will be query is required. Search query is required. YT Local Gaming. Which programming language are you using? I'm using Typescript. Vad Poddar. Hi brother. Hi Vad Poddar. Welcome to my stream. Which laptop do you have? I have HP laptop 15X, 16 GB RAM. Const current user ID equals request dot user dot underscore ID. Users equals await. User dot find. Dot find. Now we'll have an AND operator. And here I'll have the OR operator. The OR operator. I'll have the username dollar regex query, then comma options dollar options I. Then after username I'll get the bio dollar regex query dollar options I. This is done. And after this underscore ID is dollar not equals to current user ID. Fine. And then I'll select what do I need to show. Their system. Then here dot select username bio profile image dot limit 20 users. Maybe 10 users is fine. Then after this return res dot status 200 dot JSON new API response 200 users fetched successfully. Vad Poddar, Intel Core i5 U or H? I think it is, I don't know, it is U or H. It is not written, but it is Core i5, that is I'm sure. Wolverine, hello Wolverine, welcome to my stream. I have been learning Python. It's been 1.5 months. I want to do DSA. Should I proceed with Python or switch language to C++ Java? See, for DSA you can use Python. There's nothing wrong in that. I'm not saying don't do DSA with Python. Like if you're targeting FANG companies, like they allow with Python, DSA with Python. Users fetched successfully. Done. Fine, this is done. And in my user dot route, let's implement router dot route dollar slash search dot get verify JWT comma search user. Let's make it users. Search user is fine only. Search user. This is done. Now let's test the API. Now in the user section, let's create a new route, a new request. Search user. Here I'll have this server assignment slash users slash search and params, query params. It will be query. Let's make test. Is my backend running? Backend is running. Now let's add this. Hold on. Unauthorized request. Okay, I have to log in. Login. Test user 2. I logged in here. Search user. Test user 1. Test user 2. I also need the bio. I need the bio also. User controller. Username. Okay, wait. Bio. Let's search with let's just search with MERN. What do I get? MERN. See, I got this. Cool. So my search is working absolutely fine. Now if I come here, I'll close this. I'll come here, front end, src, API, user profile, no, just make a new request, API auth API, no, feed. Let's make feed API, this, export const search users, sync, and I get the query, query query of type string. Then I const, hold on, in my response what am I getting? Data and array. Fine. So response YT लोकर गेमिंग ब्रो, मैं 9th क्लास में हूँ और मैं गेम डेवलपर बनना चाहता हूँ और कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ कि कौन सा लैंग्वेज सीखूँ, मेरे मैथ्स ठीक नहीं है. See, game developer, if you are really sure about it, start with C++. That is the safest option because, like even if I search here, which language should I learn if I want to become a game developer? I think it will suggest C++, C sharp. Yeah, C++. You can start with C++, C sharp because Unreal Engine or any engines that develop games like an Unreal Engine or what is that one more thing? There's one more I'm forgetting the name. They use C++ or C sharp. So choose one. You can start with C++. Varat Podar, language doesn't matter in DSA. True. Kushagar Srivastav. Hello Kushagar, welcome to my stream. How much DSA is required for data science? Means which topics to cover, in which and which we can leave. Kushagar, for DSA, for data science, you can just start with arrays, strings, maybe a little bit of stack and queues. That's it. Varat Poddar, Postman necessary or can use Thunder Client? Yeah, you can use either. Thunder Client, I don't like to use Thunder Client because I don't like to switch tabs in my VS Code too much because I get confused with the code. So that's why I use Postman. लोकर गेमिंग, भाई क्या मैथ इंपॉर्टेंट है? या मैथ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी मैथ से डरो मत. मैं भी पहले मैथ से बहुत डरता था बट मेरी कॉलेज में मैथ्स अच्छी हो गई, डर चला गया. 12th तक मैथ से डर था, फिर पता नहीं कॉलेज में क्या हुआ, मेरे मैथ्स अच्छी हो गई और मुझे मैथ समझ में आने लगा. सो डोंट गेट स्केर्ड. Most of the time it's our own fear that makes us hate maths. But math is it's beautiful, and math is very required in game development because the physics engine that we use, like the characters physics that we develop for game, it requires heavy maths. So don't get scared. Anurag Singh, yeah, physics too. Yeah, Anurag Singh, physics is also important. Okay. Oh wait, API dot get dollar posts no slash users slash what is the route, users slash search, and this will be a string literal search and question mark query equals dollar query. Done. Then return response dot data. Fine, I did this. Now fine, done. Front end, okay, this I have done. Dollar search user slash search. Have I done this? Yep, I have done this. Then here data dot users. Okay, result dot data dot data dot data. Fine. Users, I'm getting users and like this. Now I'm getting data like this. Okay, I'm getting data. Okay, this one data, this is an array. Fine. And then okay, where is my component? Navbar component. This is my navbar.tsx. Here in the middle I want to implement search user. Wolverine, can I be internship worthy if I lock in for 6 months, spending 6 to 7 hours daily, or maybe more than for just next 6 months? Yes, you will be more than worthy if you can, give 6 to 7 hours every single day. Then you will be worthy. DKCDD, hello DKCDD, welcome to my stream. Anthropic AI, yeah, that is nice. Vad Poddar. 3.js GSAP Lenis is currently required for front-end developer. Yeah, 3.js is basically used for making 3D animations in your website. And I have never worked with these technologies right now. YT लोकर गेमिंग, भाई स्कूल में ये लोग कोडिंग को इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं समझते और काम जिस नहीं पता तो ही सीखना मुश्किल होता है। क्या मुझे कॉलेज में ही कोडिंग से करते रहना चाहिए या यूट्यूब पर कोई अच्छी सी नहीं समझाता है? See, yeah, I can understand. And in school, coding comes in your class 11 or 12, right? 11 या 12 में coding आता है schools में. But अगर तुमको अभी से interest है, then you can learn on your own. Simple है. See, मैं ना, like today I'll tell you guys how to learn actually anything. For example, as YT Loker Gaming says that he wants to learn C++. You can just go here, C++ tutorials for beginners. Search this on YouTube, and just start. For example, you can start with this free code camp YouTube video. So click on it and watch this entire video, and while watching, code along with it. That's the best way. Then if you don't like this, then search for next video. Unless and until you have to self-study, you have to self-research. That's the best thing. See, YouTube is actually a gold mine if you know how to use it. Chai, chal. Hello, chal. I'm doing web development and is good for future. And how to get how to get YT? Are you doing project which? Okay. Chelsea, web development is entering a stage where you can building applications or web applications very easy, and with time it will get more easy. But now, along with developing web application, you have to develop a mindset of how to think like a product developer. How can you build a product that will get you hired? See, now tech stacks, this tech stack, that tech stack, that is not important, that much important now. What is important is that if you are able to build product single handedly or not, that skill is important. सचिन, हेलो भैया, कैसे हो आप? हेलो सचिन, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम. मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? ओके. What for the neat code 150 is, I think, is good. Yeah, it is good. Navbar. Let's do one thing. Debouncing. Yeah, this is a very important concept. Debouncing. Okay. Okay. User have fine. Selector user set query results set result loading open set open. Okay. User have fine. Hold on. This is my nav bar. Okay. This is my nav bar. Cool. Then this is happening. Use effect query. Okay. Fine. Set timer. Set timer. Start loading. Okay. Set results. Response done. And set open. Can fine. Okay. 400. Fine. Clear timeout. Cool. Close drop down on outside click. Okay. Fine. Event listener. Fine. Okay. Let's do this. Fine. All right. Let's get started. So first we go with search user. Go with search users. Let's create a type first. We'll create a type. Frontend src types. गेम डेव करियर के लिए अच्छा है या वेब डेव? सी राइट नाउ if you want to get into real web dev, game dev, then you have to be very good in it. But Indian job market is not good for it, because Indian job market sucks when it comes to gaming. Indian job market is very good for web dev, for startups and all those things. But if you want to go into web dev, you have to be very good in it, and then you need to apply to big companies like Ubisoft, Rockstar Games, or any companies that make games, Activision, EA Sports, all those companies. But the thing is, competition is high. Not in India, competition is very low, but in other countries, competition is very high. So that's the only thing. But if you have true passion in it, go for it, I'll suggest. Chal, bro, which project are you working currently? Please tell. I try to build a web application to send bulk SMS. Do you have any idea? Please tell. Chal, I'm trying to build a social media application using Monstack and Typescript. And to send bulk SMSs, you need to, there are packages like Resend or something like that. You can use those things if you're working with Node.js. What Poddar? Why are you not using Claude? It is very good for coding, and try ID also, good and free. Yeah, what Poddar, I know, but in this project, I'm trying to learn the basics, like how to build this project, how to, like I want to understand the code. But if I get dependent on AI coders and I don't understand the code, then it can be very bad for me in the future. So that's why in this project, I'm trying to learn as much concept as possible. Then in future, I'll start using IDs, AI IDs. Wolverine, how long you have been coding? I just finished Oops and Fundamentals in Python and couple mini projects like Weather app. What's the best and efficient way to get exposure towards advanced topic? Wolverine, I've been coding since I was in class 11. That's around when I was 16 or 17 years old. Now I am 25 years old. So, like, you do the math for how long I have been coding. And to get exposures of advanced topics, you have to build projects. Whenever you get stuck, research about it, then you will understand, okay, now I have to understand this topic. So, learn that topic and then implement it in your project. That's the best way to learn. Wolverine, like, basically, what next? Okay. like I told you, build projects. Whenever you get stuck, research about why you are getting stuck. Then you will come across a new topic to solve that error that you are having. Then you learn about that topic and then implement it in your project. सचिन भैया एक क्वेश्चन था या सचिन आस्क दिव्यांश शर्मा हेलो दिव्यांश शर्मा confused between DSA and MERN stack. दोनों do both of them together. Like give 1 or 2 hours to DSA every single day and then give your remaining time to MERN stack. YT Local Gaming. How much you earn? YT Local Gaming right now I'm not earning anything. Like I learned sometimes from freelancing, but uh, I'm not earning anything right now. Paras 104. Hi bro, how are you? Hello Paras, I'm good. How are you? Sachin. भैया लॉन्ग टर्म हाई पैकेज टारगेट करने के लिए कॉलेज का फर्स्ट साल में कौन सी मिस्टेक्स अवॉइड करनी चाहिए जो बाद में रिग्रेट बन जाती है सचिन सी व्हेन यू गो टू कॉलेज योर फर्स्ट ईयर कैन बी वेरी डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग यू मीट न्यू पीपल you know you get distracted by these event that event see all those events firstly this is my personal experience unless and until it is student council don't get into any event like your seniors might tell you that this event will help you get exposure blah 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 those are all bullshit right so don't get distracted by 10,000 events if you are interested in event go do 1 or 2 event that's it and use your time spend time with your friends go out have fun but code for at least 1 or 2 hours every single day as a beginner Fano Fano Jonelia. Hello, Fano Jonelia. Welcome to my stream and thanks for the heart, brother. Varat Poddar, freelancing, how do you think is good for beginner coders? See, freelancing is good if you have contacts, like if you have relatives, friends, they need a project or web application, then you will get a project easily. But in those websites like Upwork, Fiverr, it is very difficult to find clients because clients will give projects to people with more experience. Chal, bro, which project are you working currently? Please tell. I try to build a work. I told you I'm currently working on social media application using Monster and Typescript. And for SMS wala thing, you can try to search about recent. Okay. Bar. So let's create the type first. Type. Okay. Here I'll search the types. New file. Search user dot. Yes. Here we go. I'll copy this. Export interface. Export this. Export interface. I did this. Search ref. Okay, let's do this. Use ref. And then this is debouncing concept. Okay. Debouncing. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Instead of this, we can do this. Await search users. I can pass the query use effect import use effect and all, and I can get the response response fine. Okay. Let's see. Let's copy from here. Here. Let's do this. I'll comment this part for now, and from here I'll paste this. Remove this. Let's see any errors. Search. Use it React. Okay, now if let's see if I go here test. Yeah, this is working. This is working. Cool. This is working. Now if I go to with MERN, I'm getting MERN. Yeah, search is working. But here, let's also when I click on this, I need to go to the profile page. Find users loading link profile slash user dot name. Okay, this is smart enough to do that. Let's close this. If I come here to uh, MERN developer, if I come here, I go to this page. Fine, cool. Haku Namatata. Let's go here. Follow. Cool. So search is also working. Search users. Yeah. Okay. Divyan Sharma, after MERN, what to learn next JS or AIML? After MERN, it depends on your interest. If you are interested in AIML, then go for it. But if you want to, go deep into front, like you want to work into startups or you are interested in full stack only, then go for Next.js. Chal, please read my old comments, my one waste. Chal, I told you, like, I'm trying to build a social media application using MERN and TypeScript. And for that SMS wala thing that you said, if you're using Node.js, there's a package called Resend. You can use that to send bulk SMSs, I think. Divyan Sharma, after MERN, what to, I told you, okay. Sachin, भैया अगर आप मेरी जगह होते BCA स्टूडेंट 3 साल का टाइम तो आप अपना रोड मैप कैसे डिज़ाइन करते जैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट कंपनी तक पहुंच सके लाइक गूगल नेटफ्लिक्स इस टाइप सी इफ आई वॉज इन योर सिचुएशन Sachin, if I had 3 years, first thing is that I would pick one programming language. I would pick JavaScript. I would learn JavaScript properly. Then after learning JavaScript, I would give 1 or 2 weeks to HTML and CSS. Then done. Then after that, I will start doing DSA for 1 or 2 hours every single day. Along with it, I would start learning backend with JavaScript like Node, Express, MongoDB, all those things. And I would be doing DSA every single day for 1 or 2 hours. And baki ka time I would be doing web dev. Like after completing backend, I would learn React JS. Then I would build projects and then deploy those projects. And simultaneously, I would do DSA also. That's the thing that I would do. Sachin, I hope this helps. Wolverine, what was your first language? How long have you been consistent with your work since started coding? Did you take any break or you used to code daily? Wolverine, my first programming language was C++, and it was in my class 11. There was I was in computer science, so I had to learn C++, and that's how I got into coding and development. So my first programming language was C++. Then I have been coding consistently for last few years. Our Poddar. TS में कितना टाइम लगेगा आफ्टर JS? Varat Poddar, after JS, TypeScript will only take one day, 1 or 2 days max. Okay. Expose Gamer. Hi bro. Hi Expose Gamer. Welcome to my stream. How are you? I'm good, brother. How are you, Expose Gamers? Harsh Dobaria. I accidentally typed third sem, but I am in sixth sem. I'm medium in DSA, sort 230 plus in lead code. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Not implemented. I want to learn MERN stack for fresher role. What advice? I have 5 months. Okay, so your DSA is solid because you have done so many questions. Like you have done 200 plus questions. So I believe that your DSA is solid. Now continue doing DSA. Like do one questions every single day. Now, when you are learning MERN, start learning MERN stack. You have JavaScript. Learn Express, Node, and MongoDB. And in Express, learn what are controllers, routes, middlewares, what are adjacent web token, what is authentication, what are REST APIs. Then learn that. Then after that, go into React. Then with React, build full stack projects with with Node.js backend, and then start deploying those projects. But simultaneously, do DSA every single day. Do this for next 5 months. Usman Yusuf, hello Usman Yusuf, welcome to my stream. भैया बैकएंड के लिए जावा बेस्ट रहेगा क्या या सी इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बैकएंड देन या जावा इज गुड इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लैंग्वेज फॉर बैकएंड एंड बट द थिंग इज दैट इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर देन like it is difficult to get a job as a Spring Boot developer because in Spring Boot they take experienced people more. Outset. Do you have any experience? Yes, outset. I have experience. I worked in industry for a year. Divyan Sharma. From where are you means which place? Divyansh, I'm from West Bengal, India. Bharat Poddar. CPP is very much like have to write many lines. I think JS is balanced. Yeah, CPP, like it's like a root level language. C++ is used to build compilers. So C++ has very strong access to the hardware of your computer. That's why you need to even manage the memories on your own in C++. There is a concept of destructor in C++. So C++ is a very interesting language. But yeah, JS use case is different for web application, backend, Node.js, like server and front end we build using JavaScript. So yeah, nice gaming, bro. According to me, the best channel is Sharian's Coding School for MERN. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, if you like that channel, then that's good. Okay, so this is done. All right. So all right, everyone. Just a reminder that if you're new to my stream, do consider subscribing if you like this stream. All right, this is done. Marn Miller, me Marn. I'll come here. Message. They are good. They are good. Okay, fine. This is fine. Okay, now log out. Hit. Divyansh Sharma. I complete tutorial of MERN but cannot code own. Divyansh, see, when we watch a tutorial, then we feel that we can build this, but you have to build after you complete a tutorial, build small app projects on your own. If you face errors, try to solve those errors on your own, and you can use AI for error handling, like to understand the errors. But before you implement the code, understand the code. Outset. Can you then review portfolio then? Yeah, sure, Outset. You can send your portfolio link in my Instagram. I review it. सर सचिन भैया आपने मेरा कमेंट पढ़ा नहीं मैंने बोला जब आप समझा रहे थे तो आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक कर गई ओके सचिन ओके सचिन आई विल रिपीट भैया अगर मेरी जगह होते ओके ओके Sachin, if I was in your place, what would have done is that I would pick one programming language. I would start with JavaScript, right? I would understand JavaScript, go deep into it. I would give 1 month to JavaScript. Then I would start doing DSA every single day, like at least 2 hours of DSA I would do every single day, non-stop, but just 2 hours. And in 2 hours, I'll try to solve the question. If I'm not able to solve, then I would see the solution, understand the code, and then implement the code on my own. That's the first thing that I would do. Then after that, along with it, I would be learning HTML, CSS, and I would give just 1 week to HTML, CSS. Then after that, I would start React JS. I would give 1 month to React JS. Then after that, I would start backend with Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. I would learn about REST APIs, controllers, middlewares, routes, authentication. Then I would learn how to build REST APIs, and then I would start building projects. But I would be doing DSA every single day for 2 hours. As I said, you have to do that every single day, and then along with DSA, I would start building projects, full stack projects. Then I would deploy it, and I would build my resume. I would put that deployed link in my resume, and then I would like start applying. That's it. I hope am I audible now? Sony Gaming, just practice and make projects by seeing and code them. Yeah, true. Harsh Dovaria, thanks for advice. I would try my best. Welcome, Harsh. Wolverine, what was your package when you used to work? Are employed or dropped out? If dropped out of my ask why? Okay, Wolverine, my package was around, like the kind of package that we have to pay tax, only less than that. And I left my job after 1 year, so I left it on my own. That's it. Expose Gamers 14. Have you completed your graduation? Yes, I have completed my BTech. Expose Gamers. Sachin, yes, yes. Okay, Sachin. I hope my answer helped. All right. So this is done. Now maybe I think this is it for today. Yep, let's deploy the code. Come here, src. I mean, let's commit. What was I searching? Message unread message count implemented. Okay, hold on. I need to implement one more thing. Hold on. There we go. src. Come here. I'm getting this, but that user should also get the like. Yeah, let's do that. Pratham, doing great work, buddy. Thanks, Pratham. Thanks a lot. Outset, can you refer me somewhere? Any possibility? Outset, like currently, I am not working anywhere, and like I don't have much contacts because I'm not working anywhere right now. So yeah, I'm trying to build my own startup. Okay, so if I like now, if I come here, this is my src front end, back end, src controllers, post controller, like controller. This is my code. Hold on. So there I go. Hold on. My front end. src middlewares controllers. My index.ts. I got. Yeah, I can remove this. Then join conversation. Leave conversation. Disconnect. Fine. This is done. Now if I come to my controllers, chat controller, let's do this. Okay, fine. This is my code. This is my backend code. This is my backend code. Index.ts, likes backend, src controller, like controller, src. This is my front end code. Src models, src components, feed page components, feed post, page components, feed post, feed post.tsx, feed post, and then pages, feed page, feed page.tsx. And after this part, pages done, then I have the socket.ts, 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 then my app.ts, app.tsx, then feed.api.ts, feed.api.ts, now I want that when a user likes a post, the other user should get real-time notification that his post is liked. Ehsan, hi, hello Ehsan, welcome to my stream. Wolverine, mind if I ask why did you quit job and how you manage your lifestyle? Are you fully committed towards building full stack social media app? Wolverine, I quit my job because I wanted to do something of my own and I was not getting any time and I thought, like I was not happy and I wanted to do something of my own. So I left it and I support my lifestyle by, doing some kind of freelancing work if I get projects. That's it. This is my backend index.ts. Toggle like controller. Toggle post user ID, post ID, no user ID, then post find by ID. If there's no post, then post is liked. Then if is liked, return don't like the post. Mm-hmm. Yes, hold on. If this is happening, this return this. Else, if is not okay. Else, if linked, else here I need to put IO. I need to import IO. import IO from index, and there you go. Am I exporting the IO? Export cost, I guess I'm exporting the IO. Okay. Find this system, then you write the post. Write the post. Here frontend app.tsx, app.tsx in frontend src app.tsx. So this socket this point, then user, then you go connect socket, then socket dot on, then socket dot on post liked, and here also post liked, yes, post liked, post liked, comma data. Then if I come here, console dot log notification received, comma data, and I can do toast post dot info, and do, hold on, here I'm doing data dot data dot message, cool. Any issues? No issues. Okay. Let's close this. Let's close this. Clear. Close this. Close this. Close this. I come here and I'm going to comment the window. Comment the window. Fine. Now let's add this. Here. Ria, hello Ria, welcome to my stream. Hello, I am 8th semester. Where shall I apply for job? Like which website? I'm applying in Naukri and LinkedIn. No reply is coming. See Ria, like you have to first, you have to, what are your skills? Like have you built enough projects? If you have built projects and you have deployed it, then use the deployed link in your resume and then start applying. And apart from Naukri and LinkedIn, there are many good websites, like there is We Work Remotely, then Well Found. See here, there you will find remote jobs and you can get good packages in startups also if you are skilled enough. So I will suggest that, try to deploy your projects and get the deployed link in your resume. Wolverine, are you that type of person who's solely dedicated serving technology, like building best tech services, contributing tech society, or aren't you interested in improving personal life, owning wealth, assets? See, Wolverine, wealth is fine, but I feel that when we die, I'm not taking any wealth with me. I'm not taking a single coin with me. So, see, wealth is only for survival, in my opinion. I have that mindset that, see, wealth is only for survival. I don't that is wealth is a byproduct of the value you create. So if you focus on creating value enough, then wealth will come to you. That's what I believe in. So I am focused more on creating value rather than chasing wealth. Nikhil Gupta, hello Nikhil Gupta, welcome to my stream, brother. How to get jobs role AI engineering fresher? You have to be like in AI, you want to get, so if you want to get into Gen AI, then you have to build Gen AI projects, like full stack projects. Use your OpenAI LLMs or cloud LLMs, whatever LLM you want to use. Try to use those LLMs via their API keys into your application, and try to do something with those LLMs in your application. And if you want to go into those kind of AI jobs where you try to build an LLM, or like you want to build something and contribute to the AI in that kind of companies, then you have to be very skilled you need to learn deep learning. You need to learn what are attention, what is attention mechanism, then what are transformers. Then you need to have the skill where you can build those transformers, your like those GPTs, those LLMs on your own. And for that, you need to learn PyTorch. You need to learn machine learning. You need to learn deep learning. You need to understand all these machine learning algorithms, and you need to implement those algorithms on your own. So that is the two routes that I told you. So according to interest, you should choose one. सागर राठौर, हेलो सर, कैसे हो? हेलो सागर, आई एम गुड, तुम कैसे हो ब्रदर? npm run dev and npm run dev. Okay, now if I come here first for localhost 5173, and this is for the second. First I'll go with the first user. I got this. Now this was localhost 5173. Now let's see test user 7. Let's log in for test user 7. Test user 7, test user 7. Fine, I logged in as test user 7. That's great. Okay, I'll chat with this person later. So moment of truth. Now test user 7, if I minimize this and like just a little bit here, yeah, just for now. So basically if I like, hold on, unlike, if I like it here, like this post, and here someone liked your post. Yeah, I'm getting the notification. Cool, someone liked your post. Fine, this is happening. Cool, this is happening. Yep, this is great. Someone liked your post, but I think it should be success only. Okay. Nikhil Gupta, I have done ML and right now doing computer vision. Oh, that's great, Nikhil. So if you are doing these things, then try to build an application that people can use. That should be your goal. And if you can even build one single application that has a real world use case and people are using it, then deploy this application and get that deployed link in your resume and then start applying. Nikhil Gupta, for the login page, you use Clerk. It goes well with the next. Yeah, Nikhil, I understand this Clerk is getting popular a lot. That is completely fine. If somebody is fine with it, it's good. But my question is, if I know how to build if I know how to build my backend, then why will I use unnecessary third-party application in my project? Like, just for the ease of it, yeah, I can do that for the ease of it. But if I am a developer, and why will I get dependent on third party for a simple as important thing as login? For example, if my application grows and I get 1 million users or even 10,000 users, then I'll need to start paying to Clerk unnecessarily. I can just implement that on my own. So I have a mindset that I don't want to get dependent on third parties unless and until I know my app will start building revenue from the first day, right? Coder Pro 001. If 1000 people like the post, then like it will send the notification that people are liking your post. Ria, yes, I have 6 months of experience as software engineer intern. I worked in 6M to 7M. I deployed 2 or 3 projects. Like, can you give me any tips? So that goes for entry level jobs. Yeah, see, you have deployed the project, so I'm assuming that you know the basic concept of full stack development. Then the thing is that I will suggest you that you do 1 or 2 hours of DSA every single day with any programming language that you're comfortable in. Give 1 or 2 hours of DSA, solve questions every single day for 1 or 2 hours. Then the remaining time that you have, build projects, and your project should be really good. Like, if somebody sees your project, your project should look like a product. If you can achieve that with even one project, you will get hired. And the best thing is that when you send your resume via any job platform like LinkedIn or Naukri.com or anything, try to find the recruiter's email ID and send your resume through email also. That will help a lot. Coder Pro 001, I'm sorry, but it's not making sense. See, the thing is that, like, if 1000 users like this post, then I'll get notification here. But like, hold on. Here we go. For example, let me unlike this post. If I unlike this post, if I like this post and I come here, I should get the notification someone liked your post. And if 1000 people, I'll get those notifications. And 1000 people are not going to like it, like it's a new application, right? So people are not going to like it at the same time. But when my application grows, then this problem I need to solve that maybe we can use debouncing here also. Like when we are searching here in search, we are using the concept of debouncing, right? So if you come to my search nav bar, where is my nav bar? I'll just show you. See, in nav bar, I'm using the concept of debouncing. I'm deliberately waiting for 400 milliseconds before I show the result. So I can implement this same concept in my notification also. Like I will wait for at least 1 or 2 minutes before I show notifications. Then all those after 1 or 2 minutes, all those notifications will be shown, right? So maybe I can do that. Okay, so this is done, and let's do this for comment also. Let's do this for comment also. Someone commented on your post. Let's do this. Find front end. Okay. I'm the champion. Hello भाई, आज लेट हो गया. I'm the champion. Welcome back to my stream. यार लेट हो गया कोई बात नहीं. I'm the champion. Nikhil Gupta. I used to use Cursor, Claude Clerk, React Bits, and more UI and app right for backend. That makes shipping very quick. That is what made me win several hackathons. Oh, that's great. See, if it works for you, that is fine. But like I want to build applications that will in future that might cater to millions of users. That's my goal. So I don't want to get dependent on third parties if I know how to build my own backend. And yeah, but like using Supabase and all those things will make shipping really easy, and that is fine also. Like if your goal is to build in future, I might use that. If I'm building a simple SaaS, then yeah, why not? Renovo Digitals. Hello, bro. How are you doing? Hello, Renovo Digitals. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? I'm good, brother. Ria, can you give any idea which project's idea? So it will be very helpful for me. Just give idea if you have any good project. Yeah, Ria, you can build like there's this application called Notion and Slack. There's that two different application. They are very similar. You can try to integrate. You can try to build an application that is like a mixture of Notion and Slack. Research about it, or you can try to build a video calling application that has chat support also, real time communication. You can do that. You can build this kind of application, this level of applications, right? I'm the champion. Have you used aggregation pipelines? Yes, I have used aggregation pipelines. In my feed post, if you come here, in my post controller, if you see, create post, where is it? Okay. Here I've used aggregation pipeline for get all posts for home. This here I've used aggregation pipelines. I'm the champion. Nikhil Gupta, you can use Redis for caching. It increases speed. Yes, Nikhil, that is my target. In next few streams, see, today I have completed this application. Like the level 1 of this application is complete. Basic has been completed. I have implemented all the features, but I will take it to the next level. I will implement caching and rate limiting also. So that it is actually a scalable application and responses are very fast. I will use caching and rate limiting. All right. Renovo Digitals, bro. Today India won. Congrats. Yeah, Renovo, India won. That's nice. A54237. Hello, A454327. Welcome to my stream. Bro, कल जाएगा क्या AI Impact Summit में? कौन से AI Summit में? वो कोई notification आया नहीं. Code Bros 001. What when this site is gonna be completed? See, today this application is completed only, but there are few more advanced topics that I need to implement, like caching and rate limiting, and also like more optimization I'll do. Then I'll deploy it. Maybe it will take for more 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay. Nikhil Gupta, and can do deadlock using Redis. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm the champion. How did you plan for pipelines? It's been tricky for me. Yeah. See, MongoDB is um, only complex thing is aggregation pipelines. If you can understand pipelines, then you have done MongoDB. Like you know MongoDB now. So basically, For pipelines, first thing is that you need to understand what are the references you are using, right? And you need to understand what are lookups, what are unwind, what are project, what are lookups. All these things you need to understand, then only you can implement your own pipeline. Wolverine, what's your life's philosophy? Like, what do you live by? What's your end goal? How do you want to be remembered? Oh, that's a good question, Wolverine. See, my life goal is very simple. To, my purpose in life is to build something that is even bigger than me. Even when I'm gone, people will use something that I have built. That's my goal. And, like, see, I'm not chasing wealth. Wealth, like, it is necessary for survival, but I am chasing value. I want to create value, more value. If I believe that if you can create value, money will come to you. That's my philosophy. Okay. Coda Bro 00. Bro, by the way, where are you from? Coda Bro 001, I am from West Bengal, India. Where are you from, brother? Nikhil Gupta. डिप्लॉय करने टाइम ऑन वर्सल टाइम लगता है कोड फटता है निखिल या आई नो सी I will be using VPS in DigitalOcean and I'll buy a domain, I'll use VPS and I'll be dockerizing this application for deployment. Diya, it is Ria. Okay. I build for now like image classifier where like Google Scan and AI debugger where it is C++ analyzer where every line is checked with logic error. The error is detected before compile time using AI. Oh, that is a very good project. Ria, that is a good project. Like I can see that it can be used in industry. That's a good project. You can build something extra like this, like you can build a clone of Google Photos with AI features where when you upload photos, your your image classifier can understand, okay, this person is your mother, this person is your father, this is your friend, something like that you can build. Nanda Gopal 6496. Hello Nanda Gopal, welcome to my stream. Hi, I need to create own business according to software for my business. How to do, where to start? I am using AI. Is it possible for me? I'm not a developer out of IT, but trying. Yeah, I see, you can do that. Code, you can wipe code it using all these AI editors, but I will prefer that you should, if you're from non-IT background, you should hire at least one developer so that this process can be increased, it can be done faster. But if you want to do it on your own, understand basics of coding like programming languages and try to understand the code that AI is writing, because if you get error, then you will be stuck. Ria. And also, I done integration Zoom SDK. Oh, that's nice. See, then I am assuming that you know the concepts, like good concepts. So right now, your only job is to build more projects, do DSA, and just keep applying and filter your resume, like improve your resume, add. But you must add deployed links. Uh, Coder Bro 001. I'm Gujarati. Oh, that's nice. Vaibhav Sarkar. Hi. Hello, Vaibhav Sarkar. Welcome to my stream. All right. So this is done. What was I doing? Comment sections. Okay. Comment controller. Fine. Create comment. When a user is commenting, you can do this. This is my comment controller. Here I want that when a user comments, my comment controller, okay, feed post routes mapped, okay, fine, there we go. Front end, src components, feed page component, feed post, feed post, feed post, this is my feed post. Now I want that when a user comments, then Uh, the other user should get real time notification that user has commented on his post. Coder bro, I think she is doing Zoom project from Apna college, I guess. Okay. Ayan. Hi. Hello Ayan. Welcome to my stream. Nikhil Gupta. Vibe code is fine, but if you don't know the depth, then problem आती है. Because AI generated code सिर्फ AI ही समझ सकता है. True. निखिल गुप्ता को पायलट से करवा लो इजी होगा. ओके. Create comment. Image, and I'll implement this, and here I'll implement IO. Hold on, no, not this. Here import IO from index. This is done. Okay. Created by comma. ID, username, commented by user ID. By populated comment. Comment commented by. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We do this. Commented by here. This is done. Then yeah. Doesn't comment but this is something I'm getting same thing here. Notification. Laptop is app content src app 26 here. I'll do this toast dot success. Let's make it toast dot success. Okay, there we go. Now if I come here and if I come here, nothing is happening. Fine. Now if I come here, nice post. Now if I come here, yeah, but object commented on the post. Okay, so there I'll fix that. All right. Here, okay, commented by dot commented by dot hold on commented by hold on. If I come here, comments, post comment, commented by object ID. Okay. Coder bro 001 bro, do you want to collab with me? Coder, like in future videos, like I will be open for collaboration. Right now I am just trying to build my own startup and SaaS. So like you can connect with me on Instagram. So maybe in future we can collab. Wolverine, you have set quite a principle. You give me Mark Zuckerberg in his 20s vibe, full of potential and clear vision. Hope you achieve whatever you are plotting. Night, brother. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Wolverine. Thanks for the compliment, brother. It means a lot. And good night, brother. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Uh, कुमार कुमार नीरज, हेलो कुमार नीरज, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। कौन से ईयर में हो भाई? कुमार नीरज, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय बीटेक। Commented on it, so basically you commented, okay. Dot, hold on. So what is happening here? Let's see. So populated comment, I'm searching populated comment, right? So let's see, console dot log populated comment. If I come here, populated comment, if I come here, I'll get this. If I come here, I'll get this. This is happening. Now let's just delete this comment. Comment deleted. Fine, I'll come here. Now in my backend, not getting anything like something like this. Now, nice. Now if I comment, I'll see. Commented by username. I'm getting username. Commented by populated comment, inside populated comment, post comment, commented by, okay, and then username. So here username, right? Post ID. Just delete this. Delete this for now. Nice. You can just pass the populated comment. Hello. In comment, if I do hello, post the comment. Now if I come here, hold on. Comment hello commented by. So populated comment dot commented by dot username, dot comment username. See, let's do this dot username. Now let's delete this comment. Here, this, refresh it. Nice. Post here. Just you have to comment on a post. Cool. So why am I getting this populated comment? Populated comment. Okay. Let's fix this. This is working, but in this code, I am getting this TypeScript error. कुमार कुमार नीरज, देन अभी आप कहीं जॉब और इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो? नहीं कुमार नीरज, मैं कहीं जॉब नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं खुद का स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। यश भूयार, हेलो यश, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। हेलो भाई, एक क्वेश्चन है। आई हैव ज़ीरो नॉलेज अबाउट कोडिंग। तो मतलब जैसे कोई भी आप चाहते हैं उसके पीछे ये सब कोडर्स रन हो रहे होते हैं। माय क्वेश्चन है ज़ीरो नॉलेज अबाउट कोडिंग, तो मतलब जैसे कोई भी ऐप चलता है तो उसके पीछे ये सब कोडर्स रन होते हैं। हाँ जी, हाँ, कोई भी ऐप चलता है तो ये सब कोड्स ही कंपाइल होता है। मॉडल मॉडल लुक्स लाइक दिस कमेंट मॉडल। Just write this line. Basically, I need a type. That's it. This. I come here. Hold on. Is this my new incognito window? Test user. Okay. Okay. Plus 573. Test user 7. Test user 7. Now if I log in here, like this post, like this post, here, like this post, if I like this post and I come here, someone liked a post, cool. Now if I comment here, welcome, post, why am I commenting on my own post? Okay, okay, fine. Welcome, brother. Now if I post and if I come here, see, it tells me to comment post. And now let's make it less gimmicky. This is also done. This user's profile. I go to this user's profile. If I like, I come here, I go here, move, if I come here, okay. फयाज गेमिंग, हेलो फयाज गेमिंग, ब्रो आप ग्रेजुएट हो? यस फयाज, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय बीटेक, मैं ग्रेजुएट हूँ। सी मॉड, इफ आई गो टू मॉड, नाइस पोस्ट, yeah, it is fine, it is working. And now if I come here, like this one, if I come here and if I unlike this post, this has been unliked. Here also if I like, and here this one fine. Now if I come here and like it here, and if I come here, okay, this is fine, cool, this is fine. Someone like this post, cool. So just one more check, one more check it again. Haha, post, and here comment in a post. Yeah, this is working, cool. So yeah, this is done. But now caching and rate limiting is left. Okay. हु केयर्स यू भाई, कब से कर रहे हो आज? हु केयर्स यू, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर। मैं वही अपने 10:30 बजे से कर रहा हूँ कोड। नंदा गोपाल, विल यू टीच कोडिंग, एनी आइडिया? Nanda Gopal, right now, like I have not thought about teaching, maybe in future, but right now I'm totally focused on building my own startup. So that's my goal for now. Who cares you? तुम्हारी कंसिस्टेंसी देख के शर्म आ रहा है bro. इसमें शर्म like don't feel bad about it. Just think that, just think about the next day. Don't think about uh, you know just think about next 1 month. Just think about next day. Just focus on working whatever your goal is. Just focus on working on it tomorrow, and when the day comes, do it no matter how you feel. After a certain point you need to stop feeling things like feelings. It is fine, but don't let feelings control your actions. If you let your feelings control your actions, then there's no point of doing things. You have to be stronger than your feelings. एमली चैंपियन भाई, ये प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट होने के बाद क्या करोगे? YT streams. I'm the champion. After I complete this project, I'll start building my SaaS. And I'll come live stream only, and I'll work on my SaaS. Morbius. Hello Morbius, welcome to my stream. Bhaiya, is it still worth learning MERN or other development skills in the age of AI? Morbius, yes, it is still worth it, because AI, you need people to understand AI code, because AI can give errors. So you need to understand the code. Ria, can I ask you which company you work for? Ria, I'm not working in any company right now. I'm working on my own startup. Yash Bhuyar. Hello Yash, welcome to my stream. You don't know भाई, पर मुझे कोडिंग का जीरो नॉलेज है, फिर भी मज़ा आ रहा है. ओह, दैट्स नाइस यश. आई होप यू आर enjoying my stream. Who cares you? Thank you bro, welcome. Who cares you? All right, so this is done. Let's commit this code to my GitHub here. Fine, delete this. I'll stop this server and delete this. And delete this. Fine, okay. Close that. Here now, come here. Now let's add all the files. Index. What did I do? First, message unread message count implemented in chat bar. That's the first thing I did. And second thing, notification system created for likes and counts and likes and comments. Real-time notification system. Real-time notification created for likes and comments. Fine. All right. This is the main thing that we did. And bug fixes, and fixed few bugs. Done. Tracking, commit. Then let's push the code. All right, so code has been pushed. I'm the champion. SaaS idea सोचा है या ब्रेक लेने का प्लान है फिर for some days? SaaS ideas तो दिमाग में आ चुका है. I have thought about a SaaS idea, but like break, देखते हैं after this project. If I feel like taking break, and if I take a break, it will be maximum 1 day or 2 days. That's it. Then again I'll start streaming. Okay. Zux War, bro, how much language is this? Bro, this is TypeScript. Okay, now let's come to my GitHub. This is my GitHub. On social media, updated now. Front end and user search also implemented. Done. Okay, fine. SRC, navbar, components, general components, navbar, search implemented. Okay, done. Fine. This is done. Where was I? So alright everyone, I'll keep it this much for today. I hope you enjoyed this stream, and if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. यश भूयार, गवार वाली फीलिंग आ रही है नेक्स्ट लेवल पे अब ये सब पढ़कर. सी ब्रो, डोंट गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड. ये आपको द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द बेटर यू गेट. सो आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दिस, राइट. सो वैसा मत सोचो. टाइम के साथ आप जितना टाइम दोगे कोड पे, उतना आपको समझ में आएगा. So alright everyone, I'll wrap up now. And if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, keep learning and keep building, and just focus on becoming the best version of yourself.